Hi.
Deb Toms.
Jenna Toms.
We're both Little Rose stylists, and we're here today to give you some awesome news, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We just had a big sale, right? So a lot of you saved a lot of money. Okay. That's not the end of the surprises from Little Rose. They have announced that effective August 1st, which is in 2 days,
we have our new kit, and it's going to be...
It's not a new kit.
Well, not a new kit.
It's a
new price. Oh, sorry.
It's all right. And this is the box that it comes in.
That comes in. Nice little rose on there.
Really pretty. We just want to real quickly here show you what you get for this $89.
You get a little rose folder.
And inside there is a lot of good information to get you started. It talks about our Ready, Set, Win program, which we can talk about some other time.
And some other stuff.
Stylist manual is in there.
Some little looks.
And style sheets. Some receipts.
And a banner.
A small banner, like
small
on top
banner.
of the table. 5 catalogs.
The big ones.
And then this is a pamphlet that kind of explains the hostess rewards, but also a little bit about the business opportunity. Best part is the product.
Some of the products here, the stick and lever.
It's a Nina.
Don't ask me the names, I won't remember.
I know some of them.
A nice hair stick.
Mm-hmm. Now some of this stuff is going to vary. This is typically what is in it, is what we're showing you here, but sometimes if something's out of stock, they will replace it. So here we got Riley hairband. That is dogwood.
Dogwood, okay. Ooh.
And we got various sizes too.
We have
anything from a mini, which this is the metals, and the largest is a large.
Yes.
And there's a couple of them. I'll
also, we forgot the little business cards here.
All right, another hairband. This is Tranquility, which goes really well with that braided leather that Jonah just showed you.
And also, we got some
U-pins.
U-pins.
There's 2 sets of those. There's those, and then we have, we just showed you the dogwood flexi clip. We also have the dogwood U-pins that go together.
And a shape swerve, I believe.
Shaped U-pin.
Shaped U-pin. I was close. And my personal favorite.
Do that one last.
Oh.
Violet, which is really pretty purple. If you like purple, like we do.
We do.
This is a bow.
And
Tawny. Celtic knot that goes with the Celtic knot U-pins. Wait. A set of bobby pins, which, like I said again, are going to vary. Dark camel leather with a plain stick. And
I think that's it.
I think that's it, except for Jonah's favorite.
My personal favorite one, the peacock.
Yes. So all of that for $89.
And what's the total value of all of this?
$300.
That's awesome. That's a steal.
Best news, well, I think is one of the best things about it is there is no website fee every month. So once you spend this $89, you're not going to have ongoing expenses of website fees, monthly quotas where, in order to continue, you're going to have to place an order of $100. Little Rose has none of that.
And the
one requirement
is buy 2 flexi clips.
Well, basically it's $29 a year.
And that's 2 flexi clips.
Yeah, so you buy something for yourself, a gift for somebody, and you're good.
And the best part is, if you don't want to do this, it's totally all right. You can bail, like, let's say you sign up. You can bail out as fast as you can.
But we don't want you to do
that.
Why would you want to do that?
We love you too much.
This is a great opportunity. Whether you want to do it part-time.
Full-time.
Full-time. Jonah's in school, so he can't quite do it full-time, but
this is my job.
So that is what we wanted to share with you. So August 1st, $89, and that's permanent change. It's not a sale like they were having monthly sales there for a while. This is going to be the new price, which is totally amazing. So Little Rose is actually losing money when they sell these, just so you know. All right, I think that's it. If you have any questions,
contact me
or me. Okay? Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful day.
See ya. Bye.